of the school community, ensuring a safe environment for learners and staff. Let's give a round of applause to Ray S. Quiñones, Leandro L. Sapico, Esalba O. Ademir, Jeremy D. Rubio, Roy L. Cabahal, Jordan E. Dete. Also, we would like to recognize the 2026 Serviceable Security Staff Awardee, our dear PSD, Violeta C. Ramos, Jackson L. Antonio, and Denise G. Seba. Again, let's give a round of applause to our security officers and PSD. Thank you so much.
Wala nagpapantay sa gate. Wala nagpapantay sa gate.